Alright, I just pressed the button. Let me set all the chat things up. Can you do the graphs in what? In NC? What does that mean? In your opinion, after you finished coding and reviewed, if the interviewer said there's a bug, should you try and find the bug or dry run to find the bug? Bobby Blue, I think I would not try to dry run because that takes too much time. I think usually if the interviewer says there's a bug, can you find it? They don't want you to like step through everything. Maybe they just want you to quickly see if you can identify it, or you can like speed run through a dry run, just going really fast and then just trying to like figure out where it's going wrong. That's happened to me before. Most of the time I was able to find the bug. One time I was like, man, this looks good to me. I don't see nothing wrong, man. Tell me where the bug is. I give up. And it was like, oh, you have a typo in this variable name. Like, come on, man. That's not even a bug. Get out of here. That's what I told him. No, I didn't say that. I did say that. I did say that. But not like that. GTFO, yeah. I said it in a professional way. But I dry run then found the bug instead of just looking at it. Yeah, I mean, if the dry run you found the bug, then that's good. And even better if you can fix it right then and there. Wait, hold up. Am I ready? I think so. What are we doing? We are doing something. There's too many damn windows, man, to keep track of. I need more monitors, I think. I'm trying to squeeze everything in on only 2 monitors. Hold up. Man, I swear I used to have like a chat thing for my OBS, but these days I don't see it. Oh, it's right here. All right. I'm ready. My bad. Leak code time. What happened if you couldn't find a bug before dry run? Should I ask the interview where? Man, if you can't find the bug, your chances of passing that round are slim. It's not a good look. Leak code has been logging out so fast. I think anytime you log in somewhere else, it logs you out. Maybe I logged in on my other computer. Alright, what's the daily? Store? Man. Alright, most beautiful item for each query, 2070. Can I solve it? Hold up. Is this? You're given a 2D integer array items where items I equal price and beauty denotes the price and beauty of an item respectively. You're also given a 0 index array queries. For each queries j, you want to determine the maximum beauty of an item whose price is less than or equal to queries j. If no such item exists, then the answer to this query is 0. Return an array answer of the same length as queries where answer j is the answer to the jth query. You should put store in title. Yeah, one of these days, man. I'm not like fully ready to try and push my merch, you know. I mainly bought them for me. I bought that stuff as like a uniform for me to wear to work or whatever, this part-time job that I have streaming on Twitch. So these things, I might as well just put them up on this store if people want to buy my uniform that I wear. But it's really for me, man, more than anybody else. So I don't really, it's there. I'm not pushing it too hard, you know. All right, so let's take a look. I think I can solve it, but I don't have any ideas yet. But it seems like it should be doable. So they give us these items. And they say, what do they say? What do you use for a mic? I have a Sennheiser something MKH416. Yeah. Has anyone in real life ever commented on your shirt? Yeah, my coworkers, when they realize it's my shirt, you know. Sounds good. I noticed it wasn't in the frame. Yeah, it's right. It's like literally. All right, my fingertip is touching it. I can probably bring it down a bit, man, to get it closer. Like I can probably bring it right there, about this closer. But it's like right above me. Stojan97, what's happening? What tech stack do you work in? I work in C++. Mr. Gamer from YouTube, what's happening, man? Welcome to the party. Wait, what do they want? They want queries. Oh, the max. Wait. You want to determine the maximum beauty of an item whose price is less than or equal to queries. All right. I don't know. I gotta think about this one. So, for example, they give us query 1 and they say the answer should be 2 because it's this one. Maximum beauty is 2. For a query of 6, price less than or equal to 6, then it's just 6, the biggest thing in the thing. It's pronounced Stoyan. Oh, my bad, man. I have one more question. How long did it take you to become LeetCode Knight? It took me... I'll give you how long it took me from the very first time I started to study until when I got it. So the very first... I started studying in December 2019 and I got my Knight badge October 30th, 2021. So, year and a half from the very first LeetCode study session I did. Wait, is that a year and a half? Maybe a little bit more than almost 2 years. That's how long it took me. But there were long periods of doing nothing, like months of stagnation and just not studying in some of that stuff, you know. So that's how long it took me. It wasn't a very straightforward path for me. I work so hard today. Do I deserve a break? Man, you deserve a break every day. Every day that you work hard, you get a break. But the break is only for a few hours, man, not for like a day. You think it can be done faster? Faster than 2 years? For sure, man. I think it can be done a lot faster, but it also depends on where you're starting at. If you have like a PhD in math and you're coming and it's your first time LeetCoding, I'd assume it's gonna take you less than 6 months if you're studying every day for sure less than 6 months. If you got like, if you never graduated from third grade and you're coming in, and you never touched a computer in your life and you don't even know like anything about programming, then it's gonna take you a lot longer than 6 months, you know? So it's hard to give you an estimate of how long it's gonna take, man. It really depends on your situation. Do you ever show women your LeetCode ranking to court them? No, man, I don't. I don't think that tactic is very good out there, man. But I also got a girlfriend, and I think my LeetCode rating does, you know, make her feel some type of butterflies, you know? That's what I think, anyways. Yeah, how do you think you got my girlfriend? Is she ever gonna go on stream? Probably not, man. I won't date anyone without a LeetCode under 800. 800 rating or 800 problem solved. Anyways, I'm trying to solve this problem, man. So I think what I think it's like sorting, and then I don't know yet. All right, I would do some sorting and some binary search here. But so, all right, I have a few ideas in my mind. Let me try to demonstrate. So if we sorted these by their price, it will look like, oops, let me rearrange them. The price is the first number. So I'm gonna, this one goes there. This one goes there. Right? Wait, and then I want sorting them by their price, and then also reverse sorting them by their beauty, so that the highest beauty ones comes before the lower beauty ones in the case of a tie. My bad. So like this 3 and 3, they both are equal, but the 5 has a bigger beauty, so the 5 would come before. So now I'm gonna put some indices above each item, so it's easier to like keep track of what's going on. All right, now I think I want to make a new array that's gonna be like, this is max beauty seen so far. And in this one, it's gonna be 2. Over here, it's gonna be 4, because 4 is max. This one is gonna be 5. This one's also gonna be 5. And then this one is gonna be 6. So it just happens that they're, well, I guess they'll always be increasing like that. So with these two things, I plan to, for each query, so here they give us these queries. I plan to do a binary search on each of them. So first one, which type of binary search? I'll do a lower bound on target 1 in this thing. So it's gonna, a lower bound is gonna return the first element that is greater than or equal to the target. So I'll do a lower bound and I'll check that the numbers are equal. And if they're not equal, then I'll just decrement by 1. So this is gonna find, oh wait. This 1 is gonna find this first index, index 0, and I'm just gonna check in the max beauty scene so far at the same index, and that's gonna be the answer. So that's what I think, man. Let me just double check that. 1 would find 2, this 2 would find this 4, right? Wait, here's the answer that they expect. So this 3 would find the 5, the 4 would find this 3, which is a 5. The 5 would find the 6, and the 6 would find the 6. So I think this idea is gonna work. Wait, Simon said he has a strat for not having to do union find. Yeah, I just use DFS, man. I actually don't know. I haven't done a union find in about 3 or 4 years. In like 3 years, I haven't done union find, man. And I've never really had to use it because I don't even know how to do it, man. So, at least for LeetCode, I'm sure you're gonna need union find for more advanced problems on Codeforces or something. And maybe union find might make certain problems a little bit easier. But I think the only reason why I think DFS is sufficient for LeetCode is because that's what numbers told me, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just going off of what one of the greatest LeetCoders of all times told me. But maybe it's like holding me back because I should just learn union find at this point, you know. But anyways, let me implement this idea. His number is the guy who is like 16, man. He was 16 like 4 years ago. This guy's probably 20 something now. He's probably like a sophomore in college. When we met numbers, he was like a junior in high school or something, man. Numbers is crank. Yeah, I haven't seen him lately though. Alright, y'all ready? I'm ready. So let's do whatever I said here. So first things first, man, we are going to sort the items. And we want to sort, I don't know how yet. What am I typing? Auto right hand side. Give myself a little bit more room. So I'm gonna sort where it sorts increasing for the price and decreasing for the beauty. Oh man, type racer. Hold up, Bobby Blue. Let me finish my sorting comparator first. So if the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, then we should return left hand side 1 smaller. Wait, left hand side, yeah, I think so. Otherwise, no. Which way? I used to know this stuff, and then now I feel like I don't. I think this is the right way though. Yeah, so it's gonna be increasing in the price and then decreasing in the beauty. Alright, so wait, should we do type racer now or should I just finish up this one? Let me just finish it while I have everything in my head still. Alright, so now what I want to do is I want to create this array, maximum beauty scene so far. And it's going to be vector int max beauty size n, and then I will iterate over all the items So they should be sorted nicely, and I'll just remember the best one so far. So the best is the max of the best and the current item. Items, this is the best beauty. And then now I can record that in max beauty. Like that. So now what I want to do is I will create my answer vector of size n, and then I'm going to do a binary search on each of the queries to find out the maximum beauty at that index. So what is the query? So let me do the binary search first. So this iterator is going to be, what do we say? We're using a lower bound, and we're targeting items.begin. Oh wait, can I even do this? Or do I have to do some junk, man? Wait, I don't know if I can do a lower bound on items like this and give it a target. I might have to restructure some things, man. Wait, I don't even know. Maybe I might have to write my own binary search. Should be able to reduce that sort logic with OR. Oh, you make a good point, man. But let me think about that. Wait, these are like the same thing. Anyways, I'll think about that after. What I need to think about is how am I gonna do the binary search? Should I just write my own binary search? Or should I restructure things? Try Nimlang? What is that? Lazy right now. Alright, I'm going to do some cheating because I'm lazy. So vector int type online 14. Yeah, beats. Anyways, man. What was I trying to do? These are item prices. That's what I need to do. And then I'm just going to go through the items that we already sorted and just push the price back. Item prices. Push back the price like that. So now I'll just do the binary search on the item prices instead. Same thing, really. What's our target here? The target is going to be queries I. It's a little bit long. Right? So queries right here. Did I spell that right? Slutty pie, what's happening? Alright, so here we go. So if this iterator, did I do that? Is not equal to how do you do this? Item prices dot end. That means we found something. And then we have to check. So if it's not equal to queries I, that means we found an upper bound, or we found a number that's greater than it. So we should like decrement the iterator. And what am I trying to do here? Struggling with my code? Oh no. What kind of code are you doing? Are you doing leak code? What was I trying to do here? That seems right. Otherwise, if it's the end, then I can do a minus minus anyways, and then I guess that would be the index, and then I can just be like, wait, what am I looking at? Max beauty. I hope this works, man, because I typed up a bunch of junk here. And I was pretty confident it will work, but now I'm starting to doubt myself. Lower bound. What does that mean, man? Queries I. Oh, I know what that means. It means queries is a different size than n. All right, let's see. Still. Uh-oh. Is it here? Is this part the problem? Or I got other problems going on. All right, this part is the problem. So I do the lower bound. If it's not equal to the end, then and then they're not equal, I try and decrement it. I wonder if it's like this thing right here. Interesting. Oh, I see. No, I don't see. All right. Gotta debug this. Bobby Blue, my bad on the type racer, man. This problem has been taking me a lot longer. 5 and 4? What did I do wrong? Oh, QN, yeah, QN. That should be the size of that. And then the max beauty should be, is that it? No, there's something else. How the hell is that -1? How can it be -1, man? There's one item in there. The query is 5, so it does a lower bound. The first number, that should be 10. It should return 10, so it's not at the end. Oh, but then there's only... Oh, I see what's happening, man. If it's... Wait, what's this answer supposed to be? 0? So if j equal -1, I'm gonna just put 0 because there's no items that we can get. I see what's happening. I don't know if you guys see what's happening though. But it's still not right, man. Uh-oh. How am I gonna get 4? Did I mess that up? Max seen so far. It's crazy. Where did I mess up? The best. Let me see what my max beauties looks like. Having implementation problems, man. 2, 4, 4, 5, 6. And then, all right, the query is 3. That's the one I'm saying it's 4. Wait, how is it? Oh, there's 3 right here. Oh, man. I see. So maybe I'm sorting them the wrong way. Dang, how did I miss that? Sorting it the wrong way, man. Anyways, so I guess the idea does work. I just had some troubles implementing that. Are y'all ready for Type Racer or what? I sorted the dang beauties the wrong way, even though I said to do it the other way. I had a, I can call it a typo. This is today's daily. Yeah, it's only like 10 lines in Rust. Man, I wonder how short I could make it if I were to golf here. But I'm not a good golfer, man. I mean, just sorting the dang thing is already 10 lines. Anyways, Type Racer time. Bobby Blue, are you still here? Or nah? Who's here for Type Racer? He died? That's not funny. Can't be laughing at that. Slutty Pie is here for Type Racer. Can you go back to coding? Catalyst Frenzy. I will after this Type Racer. Oh, Bobby Blue is here. Alright, here's the Type Racer, man. And let's do a boring bet, man. Will I get over 100 WPMs? That's the bet. Oh, Pixel Pusher is in the house. Place those bets. Yes or no, will I get over 100? Chances are no. Dang, I've done 1,200 races. The hell? Alright, y'all ready? First race is the warm-up round. Second race is the championship round. Everybody knows that, man. Type Racer cam activated. Start the warm-up. You gotta get your posture right. Tough passage, man, not gonna lie. No Condom Chris got that easy win in the warm-up round. But look at all these racers showing up at the racetrack. Don't Defense has given up, so has Bobby Blue. They entered the race and they just walked right off the racetrack, man. Oh, Q Ultimus is in the house. Everybody's late, man. Studded Pie 82 as a guest. Smart Coder with the 94. Alright, 17 people up in here. Oh shit, let me give it to YouTube. I forgot to give the thing to YouTube. Here we go. This is the championship round. Whoever wins this type racer, well, it's gonna be Pixel Pusher, but we'll see. We'll see if whoever comes second. We'll see how it goes. Does your girlfriend know who any of us are? What do you mean? She knows all of you, man. What are you talking about? All right, here we go. Here we go. Championship round. It's gonna be a fast race. $106 easy. Brent Aratta's in the house. Pixel Pusher 163. No Condom Chris 123. Matt 156. 114. Guest with the 104. Q with the 104. I'm with the 106. And that's all the triple digits up there. When's next web dev stream? Wait, I want it to be right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm tired of LeetCode, man. I'm tired of it. I just want to build my website and get on with my life. Do LeetCode later? Yeah, hold on. But I think I want to do at least a little bit of LeetCode for Steven Sagiball and Bobby Blue, who have interviews coming up. So I don't want to leave them hanging, you know. And Steven Sagiball has requested that I do some graphs today. All the OG LeetCode streamers just start to disappear. What? We can do it later? Man, there is not gonna be a later here. Wait, what first of all you doubters, man, don't defense, Matt 156, no Condom Chris, Bobby Blue, all you people out here about to lose your money, man, because I got 106. First things first. Second of all, I forgot how fast Pixel Pusher went. 163. Wait, did I choose the wrong thing? Dang, shit. Oh my god. Q, I'm so sorry. Clistar, I'm a little bit sorry. Hey, that's the first time I ever messed up in all my whole career as a bookie, man. This is the first time I ever messed up, and I'm so happy that, like, no random people lost their money. Yeah, it got me all excited talking about the website, man. Got super excited talking about web dev. I forgot what I was doing. Anyways, I can't believe that. Scamming people that you know is greater than scamming strangers. Yeah, because at least the people that I know that it was an honest mistake. It's even worse. It's not scammed, man. It's just a misclick. Come on now, everybody knows that. I'm only human. Hold up. Pixel Pusher 163. Let me get this up there before something else happens, man. I can't believe I did that. I am ashamed of my actions. Jesus Christ. I cannot believe it. Keep this man away from the nuclear codes. I mean, that was, how many bets have we done? We've done probably like 1,000 bets, man. And it's my first time messing up. Let's say that's not good enough though. Wait, don't scam the website? No, what are you talking about? Only hurt the riches. Yeah, the two richest people in this stream lost a little bit of money. You shouldn't be calling me a scammer. You should be calling me Robin Hood, man. I'm out here stealing from the rich, giving to all you poor peasants, man. All you people, you bet all the money and you're about to lose your money. And I just came in and I gave you all free money. Anyways. What am I doing? Am I gonna leak code today? Alright, Steven Sagibald, give me a problem, man. Let's do one problem, and I'll see you. Or Bobby Blue. Oh no, Steven Sagibald had his problem ready for me. Jeez. Yeah, I'm too poor for that keyboard. Bimchers, what's happening? Yeah, it's not a cheap keyboard. Alright, Steven Sagibald wants this problem. Let's see what it's about. And then maybe we'll do web dev for a little bit. In this problem, a tree is an undirected graph that is connected and has no cycles. You're given a graph that started as a tree with n nodes labeled from 1 to n with one additional edge added. The added edge has two different vertices chosen from 1 to n and was not an edge that already existed. The graph is represented as an array edges of length n, where edges I equal AB indicates that there is an edge between nodes A and B in the graph. Return an edge that can be removed so that the resulting graph is a tree of n nodes. If there are multiple answers, return the answer that occurs last in the input. Why do y'all leak code nerds want to watch me do web dev, man? I thought you guys are more into algorithms than web dev stuff. Can you do blockchain? No way. I don't know anything about blockchain. I don't know anything about prime numbers or math. Alright, so they say, well, first of all, I don't know what a tree is. It's undirected graph is a tree. Or I guess they tell me undirected graph that is connected and has no cycles. So when we introduce this edge, I guess we introduce a cycle, is what they're saying. So then they're asking you for the edge that we can remove to make it a tree. And how do you know? Turn the answer that occurs last in the input. Oh, of all the edges that occur last. Alright, man. Steven Sagibald, if I were to solve this problem, what would I do? Jeez. I'm not sure. I guess if you just did a traversal. And it's like something that maybe it's one of the edges in the cycle loop. I know that much. I couldn't solve it because I suck. Yeah. I don't know if I can solve it either. Yeah, I don't know what to do, man. If I got this in an interview, I'd probably fail it. Can you show the question? I can link the question here. Top sort doesn't exist on undirected graph. Yeah. All right, let me think. So for sure, we got to find the cycle track, but how do you know? How do you know when we're in that cycle? So if I just DFS from like node 1, I'd go down this path and I get back to 1. And I know that, oh, so maybe, can we have, can we count like how many nodes have more than, can a node in a tree have like more than 2 connected nodes? I don't know what a tree is, man. Maybe is it just an undirected acyclic graph? Because like 5 only has one thing, so I guess this would be like a leaf. I don't know what to do, man. Oh wait, and maybe I should have looked at the constraints. Does this mean I can just... No, I don't know what this means. Alright, I give up, man. I give up Steven Sageball. I can't solve it. I gave up 2? Yeah. Wait what? Wait until what, man? Oh, he got another one? Man, I linked the problem. If I can solve Pacific Atlantic water flow for sure. But this one, alright, should I give it some more thoughts, man? I feel like I gave up a little bit too easy here, but... 1, 2... Alan Gaming's 5. Thank you very much for the follow. You should think a bit longer. Oh man. Yeah, it is kind of like a detect cycle thing. But how do I know which edge is the one we need to remove? Brett, what's happening? Maybe you should flex your union find skills. I don't have any union find skills, Brett. Everybody knows that. You can do this in ON. I gotta get union find skills. Oh no. I've been avoiding that for 3 years, man. I don't want to do it. Do we learn union find? Nah, not today. Not for me, at least. Show second graph? Man, I linked the problem. You can check it out yourself if I'm not at the part you want to see. I could teach you union find someday. I am interested. but not today. No, I've learned Union Fine in the past. I just don't really remember how it goes. I'd have to brush up on it. So I think if Brett were to teach me, it would be really fast. Yeah. Yeah, thank goodness it's not today. All right, I'll think about that, Brett. I think it would be a good video for people to see. Um, Wait, how are you? How is this a Union Fine problem though? I still don't see it. It's like, what are we unioning? Are we just trying to find the group that is in a cycle? I hate the name Union Fine. Disjoint set forest is much more representative name. All right, here we go. Should I look at the answers? If I DFS'd, then it's like, don't give up, pretend it's an interview. Man, I've already failed. I took my L already. If I DFS'd, I'd hit, if I went from 1, I go to 5, everything is good there. If I hit 2, I'll end up back at 1. So I know one of these edges needs to be removed. So what, do I just like put all the edges that are in the cycle in a list? And then of all those edges in the list in the cycle, I just find which one appears last? Is that what they want me to do? You can remove the leaves with BFS, and then that you have the cycle. Interesting. I never would have thought about that, man. With DFS, you can detect the edges in the cycle, and when you're about to visit. If you're about to visit someone that's not your parent and it's already visited, then this new edge is a part of the cycle. Yes, I think I realized that don't defense. The DFS part at least. I never thought of the BFS stuff that you're talking about. I think that's a pretty neat idea to just remove the leaf things. But I was definitely thinking about the DFS to, I know how I'll detect the cycle, but I'm thinking, how do I store all those things? Maybe I should just start coding something up, man. So maybe I gotta build an adjacency list. Wait, how many edges do we have? This is of length n, yes. I like to just say source, but there's no source because it's undirected, so I'll just put whatever. So that's my adjacency list. Can you do it by ascending numbers? What do you mean ascending numbers? No, these are in random order. So the examples they give don't mean that the numbers are always going to look like that. The edges could be random. All right, so if we DFS, hold on. So we DFS, we're trying to get the things in the cycle. I don't know. All right, I'm thinking how we're gonna collect that stuff in the DFS, man, and it's a little tricky, I think, for me. So in the DFS, it's like I'm going to visit all the children in the adjacency list X. Or maybe I need a parent here. And then I suppose I'll have some type of scene. And I guess we mark something as scene. So if the child is a parent, that means we're just going right back to where we started from. So that's not really a cycle. But if we've seen the child, then this is a cycle. But what do I do after we realize that there is the cycle? How am I going to get this edge? Do I have to like maybe mark it as a boolean or something? And we can return true if it's a part of the cycle. So here, maybe yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And then is in cycle. All right. I don't know if this idea is gonna work, but I'm gonna try it anyways. But I won't actually visit that node. I'll just mark it as a part of the cycle, and then I do the DFS on the child, and then I don't even know if I need that. I can just do something like that. Wait, and then maybe, oh, maybe I need to set that. So is in cycle. Can I do that? I think so. So then that way I will have all the nodes that are in the cycle, and then I just have to figure out which one comes last. So how can I do that? Wait, this idea will 100% work? You're talking about what I'm doing here? Alright, for this, I'm just going to iterate over the edges, man. So for int I equals n minus 1 from the last edge that they give us, and then I'm just gonna I'm gonna do this not that efficiently. Is in cycle. Wait, what am I doing, man? I forget what I'm doing. I'm trying to figure out. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm tripping, man. If is in cycle I, return that node. Edges. I hope this works because I'm ready to give up. Oh, come on, man. What are they talking about? Ugh. It's that one index junk. Where else do I need to adjust for that? Well, I guess I already adjusted, right? I don't know, I might have some off by one errors here. Hold on. Oh wait, I didn't call my DFS. The hell? Roy's wishing he did web dev? No, I think I got this problem, man. I think overall the logic is there, but I just have to submit. Yeah, I just forgot to call the function. No, no, it's not right. Hold up. Expected 1 out of 4, but got 3 out of 4. I think it's an off by 1, man. Because the edges are like -1 there. Should I do it like this? Or should I do it like that? Let me see if that works. 2 major bugs. Oh lordy. Yeah, I don't want to think about this too much, but I have a feeling the bugs have to do with the one index stuff. Wait. Could I start having true? What do you mean? I only have it in the cycle if it's false there. I don't know what that bug is. But what if it's 1 2 3 4 2, then it would be, oh, the one will return true is what you're saying. Yeah, that is not great, huh? Alright, I see the bug now. I see the bug that you are describing, don't defense. Yeah. So when you detect the cycle, store a variable. If you're 2, then return false. I see what you're saying. I was thinking how I was gonna do that, but I guess you gave me a good way. So you're saying I do something like this, and then so if it's not equal, no. If it's equal, then I'll explicitly set that to false. And then I'll just return then I'll return that. Wait, it should still be true. Oh, I see. No, yeah. I see exactly what you're saying, man. Wait, it should be true. But if I see, yeah. I hear you. Wait, what was it? Start cycle. So if that, then return false. Yeah. And then you say I have another bug, which for sure has to be that off by 1 stuff, man. The cycle tells you if a node is in the cycle, but you're using it for edge. Oh, that's, yes, that is a good bug too. Man, how come I do these silly things? It's so obvious when you point them out. Like, Jesus Christ, what was I thinking, you know? Oh, that's a good way to get around it, I suppose. So it's like, I was gonna do some other bootleg stuff. Alright, you're saying I don't have off by 1s though? I find that, yeah, for sure I had them, man. So should I just subtract them there? Or n+1 is fine? I don't know. I was thinking about the subtract one. Yeah, I'll just do the n+1. Easier, huh? Man, thank you, Steven Sagabal. Hope you're paying attention to that, man. That whoa, still not right, but it's tough. 2818. I don't want to debug this junk anymore, man. Is it possible to solve this problem with DFS? Yeah, I'm trying to do that right now. Link the submission. I was trying, but I failed miserably. I had to call in some 3,000 rated leak coders to come help me out, you know? So how can I just want to view this, use this test case. Isn't there like a leak code graph viewer or something? I don't want to draw this out, man. All right, 1 to 8. All right, should I draw it out? Saiteja Simala. What's happening? Sorry, I butchered your name. I love the way you solve and articulate. It feels like therapy. Yeah, it is kind of like therapy for me, maybe. All right, let me draw this out to see what the hell I'm doing wrong. So this is node, well, from node 2 to node 7, and then 7. Oh, these are undirected, so I don't even need those arrows. Node 2 to node 7, 7 to 8, 3 to 6. This graph is gonna get funky. 2 to 5. 6 to 8. 4 to 8. 2 to 8. What the hell? 1 to 8. 7 to 10. And 3 to 9. So I'm saying 1 to 8. Oh. I think I see what's happening, man. Cause this, oh man, this might be returning true, but it needs to stop. Anyways, I think there's just a big bug in the code, and maybe the BFS way about removing the outer layer nodes might be the easier approach to implement. Oh, my bad, YouTube. I've been missing all I've been missing all the dang comments on YouTube. Take a shot every time I say man. Yeah, y'all be drunk. For sure, man. All right, should I give up on this problem, man? Take another shot. All right, if we did BFS from, yeah, I see how we can do this one now. So if we started some type of BFS, we still have the adjacency list, and we just start at nodes with one child. Nodes with one child are leaf nodes, right? I think this is by far the easiest way to implement this problem. So we start at the yellow nodes and we put them into a queue. And then, oh, this is one too. So we go and then we decrement these, and once any node has only one in degree, and we add it. So like this one, we'll visit this 3, and then we'll decrement one of these edges. So 3 now only has 1 in degree. So we also cancel it out. This one only, like after we get rid of that, it only has this line. So we have to cancel that out, and then we're just left with everything in the middle here. I think I could have implemented this way a lot easier, less prone to errors. Wait, rewrite the start cycle variable. It should be the first thing that you set it to. Wait, let me just look at what you're saying the fix is. Wait, this one is better to see. Yeah, this was a tough problem, not gonna lie. Alright, so this is the fixed submission, but I don't know what you changed, man. Should I pull them up side by side? Part of cycle, false. Cycle. Oh, if start of cycle equal -1. Oh, I see what you're saying, man. Well, I don't fully see, but I think I see. Maybe I should learn union find then. I think I can solve this the other way with what don't defense says is not top sort. But I think it kind of is, man. Even though it's not, we're not like top sourcing on the nodes or anything to find the order. We are top sourcing to peel off the layers on the outside, working our way in. So it's like it's the same technique. Should I do that for you, Steven Sagiball? I don't know if you saw the drawing earlier. This drawing. Why is there a kid in my bathwater? Wait, what? What are you talking about, man? Oh, don't defense. All right, I'll solve it another way because I think I can. Here we go. Hopefully you're still paying attention, Steven Sagiball. I'll create the adjacency list again. Wait, not. What am I doing, man? Here we go. Adjacency list. Maybe after this is web dev time? Nah, maybe. So I'm gonna be counting in degrees or whatever, or maybe like connections might be a more accurate term here. And since I already know the problem with the dang one indexed, I'll just +1 from the beginning. So I'm going to count each connection after I create this adjacency list. So let me iterate over all of the edges. And then I'm going to say, first I'll create the adjacency list. Which is like this. And then I'm going to increment my connections. And now, and now what? I forget how to do this stuff, man. I guess we can iterate over our connections. Wait, 1 to n. So maybe this should be less than equal to n. And I'm gonna be like, if connections I is equal to 1, this is a source, or this is like a leaf node. And let's have a queue, call it queue. And in this queue, I'm gonna push all the leaf nodes to that thing. So queue.push I. So the idea that we're doing is we're adding all the yellow circled nodes into our queue. So it's gonna have this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and I'll draw how many connections it has. So each of these leaf nodes, they have one connection in this thing right here, connections, right? And like these nodes, this one has 2, or this one actually has 3, this one has 3, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this one has 2, I'll just write 2 here, and this one has 2. So we keep going till we reach a node that doesn't have a 1 connection. Yeah, so maybe not, I don't know what you just said, but follow me. So we put all of these things into the queue, these nodes here, right? They all have 1 connection. We put them into that queue. And now we're going to visit all the children to these nodes. So let's start with the 9 right here. We go to the 9, we visit its child. We're at the 3. And then now, once we get to a node, we're going to decrement the number of connections. So now 3 has 1 connection. And then when a node has only 1 connection left, we're going to add it to the queue. So this gets added to the queue because now it only has 1 node. And then let's do the 5 next. So the 5, we reach this 2 and we decrement this so it only has 2 nodes left. So we don't have to add the 2 node to the queue, and like we keep doing that. So this 10 would visit here, that goes to 2, we don't have to do anything else. This visits here, 4, then this one visits it and it turns to 3, and then this one goes here, this turns to 1, we add that to the queue, then this goes there, this turns to 2, and then that's it. We stop there. So now the last remaining nodes still have like greater than 1, and those are the nodes in the cycle. So let me show you. That diagram looks a little bit crazy, but let me show you where we're at in the code. This queue is the thing that we're pushing the connection. So we're gonna be like, while there's something in our queue, let's pop the next node, queue.front, and then queue.pop. And now we want to visit all that node's children. So we go through like for every child in adjacency list node. We're going to decrement the connection. So connections of the child, decrement, and then if connections child, oh yeah, also I don't think the reference thing matters here since it's just a bunch of numbers. It's a, wait, yeah, it's just a bunch of numbers, right? It's like a primitive type. So do we have to do the AND? Is it more performant to do that, or is it like the same? I'm not actually sure. What are we doing? We're pushing this to the queue now. Yes, yes. And then that's it. I think. So let's take a look what happens here. These connections are all 1. I guess when it visits something that we already visited, the connections will be like 0 and then -1 and then whatever. So only if the connections equal 1 it should push. And then to find things in the cycle, it would just be like if the connections are greater than 1, then it's in the cycle. So I suppose I can, I don't know, make like a set or something, and then just iterate over all the connections. Cycles nodes, cycle nodes. And then I'll iterate from the last edge. Wait, and so I'm iterating from the right to the left to go from the last edge, and then I'm just checking like if cycle nodes dot find that node, then we should return it. I hope this works, man. I'm tired of this. Uh-oh, it doesn't work. Wait, do I have more bugs, man? Jesus Christ. Time for web dev? Yeah, maybe. Hold on. I thought this would have worked, but now I don't know what's happening, man. I'm just not very accurate today. Maybe because I got web dev on my mind. Should I see, like, anyways, let's see what's going on. Jolly VN, thank you very much for the follow. I got like 3 mocks tomorrow. Dang, you should probably rest up then. Look, this isn't even in my thing, man. Is there an off by 1? I think there's like an off by 1 here, man. But anyways, I think this is like the main idea, but I can't get it to work. I'm pretty sure. Wait. Should I just convert them to 0 indexed nodes? And see if that helps. But man, there's just so much junk to change here. Maybe that's all. Let's see. If this doesn't work, I don't know. Oof. Connections. Oh. 0 less than n. Less than n. I equal n minus 1. Alright, let's try that. Alright, I give up, man. Too lazy to try and debug all this again. But I do believe this is how you solve it. Yeah, I have something wrong though. Oh, wait. Oh, same. I have the same bugs again, man. I I wait. Yeah, I did the same bugs that I did the last time. My brain ain't working today because I'm doing the thing on the nodes, but we're trying to return the edges. So I just had a my mind ain't working. I'm gonna just say that. I see everything where I went wrong. Anyways, sorry to waste your time, everybody, but that was a terrible implementation, and I don't feel like to redo it. But at least we got one in. That don't defense basically got that one in. It's a hard problem. I'd say unless you've seen this and know that trick, I think it's a tough observation. You think it should be classified as hard? Man, any problem that I can't solve, I feel it should be classified as a hard, so that's just how I feel. I feel, you know, these, let's see what Zero Track says. Although I think this problem might be too new. What was it called? Redundant connection? No. It's not there. Wouldn't say this is hard? Man, I'd say it's hard. Might be easy for some of you people out there, but you know, I've done a lot of problems. I think after Don't Defense told me about starting from the leaf nodes and peeling off those outer layers, I kind of remember this. I think Stephen Code Stuff gave me this problem a long time ago and I couldn't do it. Maybe like 2 years ago or something. And I remember it from then, you know. Because this question is just like implementing Kruskulls. Yeah, but it's like making the observation is tough. I don't think, well, even then there's some extra things. Anyways, should I do web dev or what? Or should I just do some more LeetCode, man? What do I feel like? Man, I feel like I should train LeetCode because I'm not doing great lately. But also, I think I've been having a lot of fun with the web dev. And I should strike while the iron is hot, if you know what I'm saying. One more? No, forget LeetCode, man. We're tired of LeetCode. I'm just gonna finish off with web dev. Should I change my stream title? Real quick. Building my personal website in React. First time seeing Simon say no with LeetCode? No, man, I say no all the time. Alright, I'm gonna change my YouTube title too. Web dev changed him. Yeah, I guess it did. Alright, here we go, man. Yeah, web dev, no brain required. Brain drainage required. I don't know. Web dev. Thought Monday and Wednesday you're training. Yeah, but I also want to finish my website at some point. So let me just get everything running. I don't do LeetCode every day. Yeah, neither do I. I only train like 3 times a week. I'm not like that hardcore, man. I've just been consistent over the years. Initially, I was hardcore when I was training for interviews. But lately, not so much, man. Let me show you my website. about the same as me. It makes me feel, yeah. I also have a full-time job. Steven Sagibald is right. All right, here is my website as it is right now. MidnightSimon.com. Looks like this. Yeah. Here is my website that I'm building. It's connected to a real database. These are like pulled from the database and not hard-coded. And the TypeRacer stats are a little bit old, but that's, you know, we can fix that after. The point is that the things work here. So what do I want to do? I think I want to start making it look nice, or something like that. Should I do that? All right, I have some ideas. First, I want to get this CSS junk onto the new website. So however this text is like right here, I want to try and get that over to start like styling it up, because it's ugly right now, man. So where do we begin? Maybe on this page, index. Wait, first, I think I have to look at what I did here, because I don't even remember how to do that. I'll just copy it. I'm not gonna lie. I thought we weren't doing the MySpace CSS. Wait, what do you mean we're not doing MySpace CSS? I thought it's the only way we can... the only way forward, man. That's the only thing I'll take from the old site, is just this part. Or do you think this is an accessibility risk? It's too flashing. It's gonna cause some... I should have like a warning sign on the website. Nah, we don't need that, right? All right, so I also need that glitch class. How can I see my CSS here? Oh, I need all of these things. Dang, there's a lot of stuff to copy. Wait, your website kind of makes me want to make my portfolio site a guy putting in a videotape and you watch the TV like the old days and fast forward to change pages and rewind to go back. Yeah, that sounds pretty cool, man. All right, how do I put styles in this thing? Do I just make a... Can I do that? And then what? I just import it like that. But this is called index.css. Uh-oh. So it doesn't like my CSS here. I don't know why it doesn't like it. Oh, look at that, man. We're making progress. All right, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. There's a lot of things I gotta change. Looking sick. With just the MySpace CSS. Should it be green? Hold on. I want, all right. Now, here's what I want. I said the only thing I'm gonna take from the old website was that CSS stuff, but I lied. I actually want this background again. Looks like TikTok. Yeah, it kind of does, actually. I never thought about it like that. Alright, I want this dang background. Can I just copy the image and paste it here or something? I don't know where. I'll figure out. Oh, that's not a PNG. Hold on, man. Where is all my stuff? Hold up, hold up. Can you explain your t-shirt? Yeah. Rows and columns for RNC for rows and columns is the best. XY is the worst. And IJ also, it's okay, but it's not as good as RC for 2D grids. Anyways, be right back. I gotta pee. All right, man. Anyways, I do want my background again on the new website too. Oh, for grids? Yeah. RC is best for the grids. IJ, why IJ? I usually means index, and J, I guess, is after I. And if you need another letter to represent an index, people like to use J. Alright, so what I want to do is, I don't want the full background to be like this. I only want like this middle, like a middle section, like a hero image type of back, you know, just like a thing. So let me try and figure out how to do that. I think that background would look cool if you faded it out when the page loads. That might be an interesting idea, man. But I don't know how to do all that fancy stuff yet. I'm a web dev noob. Alright, let me try and do that though with... What am I doing? I'm trying to like create a little section that holds maybe this stuff here. And then, all right, I want, how do I set a background on something? Should I call this like, what do you call this section? A banner or something? Hero is what people call it, maybe. I don't know these web dev terms. Background image is going to be, how do I don't know how to access this background image from Remix or whatever. Would it just know? Like, do I have to put this file somewhere else? I'm gonna have to Google that in a bit. Header section comes before the hero. All right, I'm gonna change this to under. I'm gonna change this to banner or something. I don't know what to call it, man. But all right, first let me, Little Freezy in the house. How are you doing, man? Oops. You should just be able to give it relative. Can you? React remix images folder. How's everything with me? Things are going good. I'm doing a little web dev, man. I'm trying it out. Images. But I don't know any idea about Remix, man. I'm trying to figure out how can I reference this image in the React thing, and like if there's a special folder it needs to be in. You know what I'm saying? Like if it's, should I put it in routes? Can I access it there? Should I rename this? And is this right? Doesn't look right to me. Put it in the public folder. Oh, this folder. Oh yeah, yeah. Thank you. That's type of info I need. And then if it's in the public folder, then I can just call it like that. Oh shit, there it goes. But maybe like that. Do I have to app routes? Do I have to like do that type of stuff? I don't know, man. Wait, Vim Tim in CSS Europe URL. Oh, like that, and then we can just do oh, there it goes, there it goes. All right. Thank you, thank you. Um, Making slow progress. It still looks ugly, but all right. Now I don't want that padding. I want that thing to like be the full screen, and I'm gonna change this stuff up here. And I want this right here to be like centered. But maybe I don't have to apply the CSS in the CSS file. Maybe I can just do it with Tailwind right here now. So how do I center? Text center maybe? How to send? I'm gonna have to Tailwind cheat sheet or Tailwind center text in div. Text align. Maybe I have to put that in the parent, like in this one. Oh. Something happened. Text center. Wait. H1 is fine. Let's make sure that is full width. All right, how do I do that? Full width. Max width. Max width full. That's what we need, you're saying? All right, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm thinking like these things probably are like not centered. This is gonna be a lot of experimenting because I don't really know what I'm doing, man. All right, all right. I'm just trying to see where I'm going wrong here. Man, also need to do full width on those? Dang. It's crazy. Yeah, it's not going all the way to the end. Wait. Let me Control Z everything. Let me think. Let me think about what we need to do here. Maybe this full width. Wait, you can share those styles with the spans. It's probably because they are used together to create that effect. Then it's because its parent container needs full width as well. Man. Alright. This is a big struggle for me. Man, I just want this to be in the middle, you know? How difficult could it be? Do I put it in a div? In a div? And then like all right, and I lack some basic CSS skills here. How to center a div in a div. Apply a flex. Should we use flex? And then item center. I don't know which, if it's in the parent container or what, man. I'm just kind of guessing here. This is a struggle fest. Justify center. Wait, in here? Oh, look at that, man. You know what's up. Man, you guys are good. Alright, let me take all that red stuff now. And then let me move this part like down here and see what's up. Oof. No. That's not what I want. Alright. Alright, this will do for now. This will do for now. There's a lot of things I gotta change. But, alright, now I want something below this. Oops. I want it below it, like here. But then, do I have to change the flex direction or something? Which one is default? Flex column or flex row? I'm not sure which direction goes like what. Yeah, there we go. Wait. No, but now it's not centered again, man. Is it because I did this? It's not centered? Oh, shit. Or is it because I added this? It's not centered. Alright, like right now it's centered without that thing. I want to add something below it, but I don't want to like mess up all the other stuff, you know? Move this one, like, move these down here. Hold on. So you're saying move this down here. I need some CSS skills. Oh yeah, there we go. Everyone's probably cringing looking at what I'm doing out here. Alright, making a little progress, that's for sure. What else do I want to do? What else? I want to make this thing up here not look ugly. Or I also want to add like a couple links down here, like a Twitch link. Let me see if I can figure that one out. So I want to like write, maybe I should, let me see. I'll just put like, no. So I want this to not go up there. Can I put, should I put flex row? No, flex call. Man, I should really just learn CSS. Flex containers are too hard. Apparently. Alright, maybe I can draw what I'm trying to achieve. I want this little twitch to show up like centered and right there, and then I want like a YouTube thing show up right there. So maybe what I have to do is, I'm not sure. Flex call, item center, justify. Man, you're like a CSS guru, man. So saying just hit all of these things right here. Man, how did he do that? What the heck? All right. I got one more. I got one more. So he's saying I can hit them with a flex row? No, flex call. How do I make these like only flex? Man, how do you know that? What? This is crazy. All right, space between. Wait, space. How do you put a space between? Space between. Space X. There we go. Space X. All right, maybe a little bit more, huh? Defaults to row. Flex alone is shorthand for multiple stuff packaged together. I see. All right, something like that, I suppose. But now, feel like, why is this H1 so thick? Maybe I gotta change the, what's that, padding? The vertical padding on the H1. How do I do that? Y pad or something? Padding, P, Y, PY, 0? No. How do I see? No, that's that span href. It's like the H1. Oh, I can just add things right here, like padding 0. No. Margin 0. No. I'm trying to make it shorter, but maybe that's like not necessary right now. All right, let me move on. Let me move on from this. I want this to look different too, but I'll work on that another time. I want to get the menu bar looking somewhat nice. So let me try to see what I can do here. I would like it to be, let me try and find an example. Menu, nav, bar, tabs. Wait, isn't there like a thing I could, what's that? Yeah. This thing is what everyone says I should just use, right? So let me see what type of components they got here for me. There's so many, man. Give me some navigation components. What would that be called? Nav bar, menu bar, navigation menu. Oh yeah, I want something like this, but not as ugly. Oh yeah, something like this. I like this. All right, so should I just get it? Let's see if I can do it myself. Probably not. I probably need everyone's help. All right, did that work? Okay, so they say they added it to my components. Maybe my header I can just import it. Like that. Do I do it like that, man? And then I just copy this and see what's up. Nah. Man, do I have to import all of these things too? Alright, let me see. Mr. Friend, what's happening? I'm at the beginning of my LeetCode journey in that this week I'm memorizing all my handy methods in JavaScript. I should be ready to start grinding out problems in LeetCode soon. I hope to run into LeetCode coders on here sometime, man. Today I'm doing a little web dev. Earlier I was doing LeetCode, but today I'm just trying to do web dev to fix my site up. But it's real struggle out here, man. I'm not a web dev by any means. I'm hoping like everybody is gonna help me out, you know. They have been. Alright, I don't know what any of this stuff means, man. So I gotta delete these things if we don't use them. Focus. What are you talking about, man? Alright, let me go back to the thing, because clearly I didn't follow the directions properly. Maybe this is... I'm gonna just use this and see what's up. All right, so here we go. Let's try to build out this header thing. So maybe I will hide these for now. Maybe I'll also erase that. And also, I'm gonna erase this thing right here. We don't need that anymore. So let me change my items. What I want home, topics. Well, I'll just comment this out for now because there's no extra stuff down there. Leaderboards or something maybe. All right, we're getting somewhere, man. But I know I want these things to not be all the way at the top. Maybe I gotta like give this some padding. Padding top. PT 16. Let me see how that looks. All right, we're getting somewhere. Wait, this little margin thing is bugging me. So I want to remove that padding thing so that the banner stretches across the full image or the full site. Let me see if I can figure out how to do that. Maybe this thing needs to go. Yeah, that's it. And now I want this menu bar to be centered above it. Let me try and do that real quick. Let me try and wait. We just flex it and then item center. No, it was justify. What's the difference between justify center? Oh, look at that, man. I'm just flowing out here. All right, we're not done yet, man. We're not done yet. What time is it though? I got like 40 more minutes. I actually don't want these to be, I just want them to be a regular item. Can I do that without having it with the arrow? I don't know what I'm doing here right now. But I'm trying a bunch of random stuff to see. Alright, that menu trigger must be used within menu item. I see. I see. So this one, maybe I'll just change that for now to see how it looks. I don't know if I like that. I feel like the text is different from the drop down. Let me see in their example. Like, I guess those are all... Man, that looks pretty cool. So like their text... How do I get this? I want... Oh, let me see the code here. I want this one, man. So I'm just gonna, should I just copy this? Let me think. Would you do later also the JS part? What do you mean? I see how this works. So I put a menu item, navigation menu item, and the trigger and the contents. And then a new menu item, trigger contents, and this one, menu, this is what I need right here. Wait. Topics. Let's see what this looks like. Man, how they get all the mouse overs? Should I just copy everything? I want to just copy everything, man. I don't want to waste my time trying to figure it out myself. Components? What's that? Maybe we don't need that. List item. Icons. Maybe I don't need all that either. Oops. All right, there we go. So, menu item, menu item. I actually just want them to be this. I don't need any crazy triggers. So home, I don't know, about, topics, and like leaderboards or something, type racer, whatever. Let's see if that works. All right, now I gotta make them clickable. Witty Smirk, how you doing? I might have to finally start my own LeetCode journey for an internship. That is exciting. You gotta start, man. It's the easiest way to pass interviews, just get good at LeetCode. All right. I want this menu to look nicer, but I don't know how to do all that yet. So I'd like it to highlight which one we're at. I gotta figure that out. I don't know. Yeah, how come this has mouse overs like that? Do I have to put them in? Is it one of these things? Should I just copy all of these styles? No, that's for the content. Where do they get those styles from, man? Highlight must be something with hover effects. Yeah, but thought it would just work. Unfortunately, it doesn't. Is it because I didn't copy something in here? Is it like the trigger style? Or is it maybe because I changed it to not be a trigger? Anyways, tailwind. Let's look at like some highlight or tailwinds. Hover, change color. Let's see. Oh, that's all we gotta do. Let's try that. Should put it on the whole thing right here. Class name. Let's see. All right. That kind of works. But that's not the color I want, but I'll leave it there for now. Will I get in trouble if I share a link of a Twitch streamer's portfolio? No, you won't get in trouble. Rython.dev. Oh man, this looks too fancy. Cool animations. I don't have any of that cool stuff, man. I wish I knew front end a little bit better, but maybe I will get better after I finish this website. So, all right. I want these things to not be so square. I want them to be like circular like this. How can I do that? I gotta look up everything. So, what do you call that? Rounding. Borders. Border radius. Rounded. I just hit them with the rounded. I'm gonna hit them with the rounded. All right, it's not rounded enough. Rounded large. Let me try that. Nah, I'm gonna hit them with the rounded 2XL. A reek in the house. What's happened? Yeah, I see that little freezy. There are. I didn't see the sizes at first. But now, oh, should I hit them with the rounded full? I'm gonna do that. Full rounded, man. I don't like the color, but it will do for now. As a front-end dev, I already like your current site a lot. The sickest website on the planet. Thank you very much, man. But I have a vision. I have like this grand vision. I'm just slowly trying to get there. You want me to try and draw it out? So, of course, like the color scheme ain't looking too great right now. But, I mean, I think y'all can see what I'm trying to do, right? So I want these to be like little buttons. I want these to be icons. So this would be like the Twitch icon, YouTube icon. Maybe I want some other text down here. I don't know what I'll put there, like my schedule. Yeah, let me think about that. Maybe it would be like Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays, whatever. 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Wait, that looks really big. But, you know, 9. I don't know what time I stream on Saturday. Let's call it 7 p.m. Something like that. I want like all the other LeetCode streamers below somewhere, but still in the little static area. And then this part I have to like do up. But that's where I'm trying to head with this website. You can make sure of Twitch scheduler, make use Twitch scheduler. What's that? All right, let me make these links actually work. Which I don't know how to do that. Was it cursor pointer? I don't want to, let me change that aqua blue, sky blue, whatever to like something, I don't know, gray. Let me see how that looks. I'll leave that for now. All right, I want it to be a little bit up more too. So maybe I can header, maybe what, like a margin bottom 10. Is that too much? 5. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Should map through your home about topics type racer instead of having a component then that does the same for each. Yeah, I was actually thinking about that, man. But I'm too lazy to do that. Or should we do it now? So const navlinks is like, I'm gonna do it. So we got, what do we got? Got home, about, topics, and type racer. I mean, I want the navigation thing to be a little bit more fancier in the future, but for now I think this will be okay. How do you do that? Map? Is it like that? And then you return all this junk? Is that how you do it, man? Expression expected. What are you talking about? Wait. I have a missing bracket somewhere. I don't know where it is. It should be like right here, yeah? Like that. Let me start over, man. Jesus. So it has a link name. Past that. Doesn't that look right? Or replace these? Wait. Hold on. Let me start over for real. Navlinks dot map. And then how does it work? You do something like this. All right. Oops. No, that doesn't work. Maybe I can't. Maybe I gotta do it like that. Wait, replace. Hold on. Replace this with that? Is what you're saying? No return needed. It still ain't right. Maybe I have too many of those. All right, where, maybe I take out, no. Do I remove that? I don't even know anymore. All right, let me start over, man. I am not used to dang JavaScript syntax. How do the arrow functions look? Is it like this? I swear it's like this, right? And then you return something like, let me see. This is, look, that, all right. Oh, Flumsy's in the house. What's happening, Flumsy? I'm trying to do some web deving out here, but struggling very much. Navigation menu lists. Let me comment out all of these. And then I think we gotta put in the menu list. All right, so that's working. Now let me pop in one of these things. All right, finally, man. Jesus Christ. How are you doing, Flumsy? Look at my new website that I'm trying to build. Anyways, it's almost time for me to go, but I'm gonna keep on keeping on. Site looks so good, thank you, but still have a long way to go. All right, let me make these links actually work now. Oh shit. So maybe I shouldn't just have them as strings. Maybe I gotta like define a type. And then I'll be like, name is a string. It would be like link is a string, or link to. Are you enjoying using Remix? I think I don't really fully understand it, but so far so good. I am enjoying the web dev though. It's a nice change of pace for me from LeetCode all the time. Pinto Fool, what's up, man? While your website building has been excellent background sound while I work on the daily, but I have a LeetCode question. Can I not use sorted map in LeetCode? Wait, what language? Sorted map. What language are you using? Java? Man, I don't know anything about Java. So, I'm sorry. Not sure how to help you there. All right, what we're doing, we are changing these things to Is this how you do it? Link to, like that. About, topics, type racer. There's no about me yet, so I'll just put topics for now. Type racer goes to, I don't remember what the URL is, but let's say it's type racer. So, all right. In this link to, it should just be link to, right? But then now it's gonna be the link and link to, like that. And then I guess I should give this a type of navlink array. Can I do that? Oh, but then this is called name instead of link. Oh, but then this is like, can I do, all right, let's see. I don't think it's working. What did I have before, man? How do I see what used to be there? It should show me all the things that changed, right? Where is it at? Anyways. Big struggles, big struggles. Where was I? Do I have to... Alright, the link is already there. Oh, maybe there should be like... link or... to, is it? I don't know what all that stuff is. Alright, none of these are working, man. Oh, those work though. So all right, we got new problems now. How the hell do I put a link in here? Or is that like weird? No, it doesn't even line up. I'm doing all types of weird things that they don't like. Thought I could just do it like this, but the links don't work now. Man, I feel like I could have just made this myself without using this navigation menu junk. Should I just do that? Or should I learn how to actually use this thing? Oh, Simon Lally from YouTube. What do the RNC represent on your shirt? RNC is just like row and column. So using RNC for it's racing over all the cells in a 2D grid. I think RNC is the best way. Oh, Lil Freezy, let me see what you're saying. Wait, what? Link to? I mean, I think I don't know what's going on. Use 2 instead of href. Yeah, I tried that and it didn't work either. So I put the 2 and take off all this legacy stuff, and then it still don't work, you know? Like when I click it, nothing happens, man. Yeah, the page exists. Do I sell merch? Kinda. There's a link. Well, there it is. Make sure the link to is correct. It is correct, but it's not even going to anything. And I know it is correct because if I remove this thing here, the link works. But then it looks ugly. You know, like I click it, something actually happens. You know. But without, when I have these things in here, maybe I should like really not use this thing if I don't know what I'm doing. I thought this was like a copy and paste type of situation with these things. Let me just take a look here real quick. So they have, all right, documentation. Components, documentation. And then when they do this, it works for them, man. But when I try and do it, it doesn't work. What is that, Shad? I don't know. Someone, lots of people recommend I just use these components, that they're easy. Are you using npx to install it? Yeah, I ran this thing right here to install it. But maybe I should just read a little bit more. So, apply. They're talking about legacy behavior and all that stuff. Add navigation menu routes as top level navigation menu. Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean by that? Try to wrap and replace. Show the code. This is my code. So I have these nav links, the name, and the link tos. And then I have this navigation menu. Hold on, let me just, I guess I can delete these things. And I'm mapping all these nav links into these menu items. Navigation menu routes, menu lists. I don't even have a route though. I don't even know where, do I have to import that here? It didn't even say anything about route, so I don't know what that is. Doesn't exist. Are you importing link from correct location? I think so. Should it not be a Should be a different one here. Link from next link. But I'm not even using next. Or what? Lots of... Should I just use that anyways? Can I do that? What is next link, man? Maybe I'm in the wrong documentation. You need nav link for remix. Yeah, so this is the remix link. So you're saying there's a nav link? Then that's what I need. Interesting. But I let's see if we can make this work, man. And then I gotta go real soon. Wait, what the hell? I don't want... Is it working? It's kind of working, right? Well, not anymore, man. I give up. Forget all this navigation menu stuff. What a waste of time, man. I can't even get the dang... Do my links have keys? No. Should they have keys? What should it be? No, keys don't do anything. Oh, link to? Wait. I don't know, man. Link. Yeah, I think I tried that. Using index isn't good practice. Didn't know that. But man, I feel like to not even use the dang this navigation menu thing and to just, you know, remove it altogether and just use a dang nav link. Wait, try to remove that class. Oh shit. I just Control Z a little bit too much. Alright, let me try and it says navigation menu trigger style. What the heck? Still nothing. Yeah. Anyways. When I switch navlink and navigation menu link. Wait, what? Which ones? Think this is how they gave me in Shad CS or whatever it is. It might be something janky. Anyways, no Con Chris is here to redeem Type Racer. I think I'm not gonna use this component. It's wasting my time. I think I'd have done it already like 30 minutes ago if I just coded it up myself. That shows navlink is child. Where? So the link is here. The navigation menu link, and then the link, and I replaced this with, like, I feel I copied and pasted exactly how it was, and it's just not working. So, oh no. Wait, as child? Oh man, little Freezy coming through with some good stuff. Wait, what did I do there? Navigation menu link, as child, and then link. So you're saying I put that in there? Alright, if this doesn't work, forget about it, man. Oh, it works. Little Freezy knows what's up, man. Dang. I got some other problems, though. But we'll fix those things in a bit. Someday. Anyways, I don't know what that error is all about. Private names. What does that mean? Private names? What's in the CSS? Private names. Hold on. I know there's a type racer out there. I'm almost ready for it. Maybe I should take off that. Unexpected token? What does that mean, man? How's that unexpected? Hold on. We gotta figure this out. Unexpected token? Man, front end stuff. Wait, he doesn't believe I redeemed? What are you talking about? Unclosed curly somewhere? Anyways, who cares about this stuff right now, man? Front end problems. I think I didn't close a curly brace. I think I did. Anyways, I will research this offline and try and fix it some other time. Alright, let's do the type racer and let's get out of here. Slow progress today on the website, mainly just styling, nothing too crazy. Alright, y'all ready? Should we do a bet? Should we do the same bet we just did? Will I get over 100 WPMs? All right, there you go. Will I get over 100? And after this, I'm out of here, man. Also, yeah. All right, nah, none of those fancy bets, man. I need to go. I need to go right now. So, dang, look at all these guests. You guys need to sign up, man. Oh, we got Mexico, we got Singapore, a bunch of USA. Flumsy's in the house. Pat's Hello World is here. Smart Coder. Type Racer Cam. Let's start this. First race is the warm-up round. Second race is the championship round. So this first round doesn't count towards the bet. I got 100 in the warm-up. Dang, we got a fast guest in here from Singapore. Oh, man. Is that the original? There's a... Oh, save it here. You're from Singapore. I see. Man, there used to be somebody who came onto this stream like 3 years ago, always as a guest from Singapore. And anytime they raced, they would win like with crazy speeds like this. Man, look at No Condom Chris. Oh, lots of people on the racetrack. Here we are. This is going to be the championship round. Y'all ready? Let me look at the bet first. So about 50-50. Dang, Vim Tim, that is a lot of money. What are you doing, man? You put too much pressure on me. Fantasy, way too much money. Q, come on, man. You're going to lose if I go fast. All right. Big bets on. I have to get triple digits. I have to get at least 100 WPM. So it's possible. It's possible, man. Here we go. Get ready. Wait, let me stretch. Oh. All right, now I'm ready. Man, I came first, man. Easy. Not only did I get triple digits, I got the W. I beat everybody out here. Flumsy, real close, but still second, man. It's a tie now, man. Look at that. Second place. They don't show the decimal points, but mine was probably like 109.99999. Yours was probably like 109.00001. Man, third place 108, six pack sexy 108. That is the closest finish I've ever seen with like 4 people, man. Pat's Hello World also triple digits 101. Freezy with a 97, and I forget what everybody else was. All right, let me choose that bet, and then I gotta go. You guys are welcome to race another time, but I gotta go, man. Rematch? Ping diff? Nah. Flumsy is right next door to me, man. Ain't no ping diff. Alright, 20 racers. Will I get over 100? Yes. Alright, man. Because there's so many racers out on the racetrack, I think we can do one more. Since Flumsy just tied with me, maybe we should do one more bet, man. The bet is me versus Flumsy. Flumsy is the creator of Leet Rooms. If you don't know what Leet Rooms is, it's the sickest extension ever made, and it turns LeetCode into multiplayer. So check out leetrooms.com for to see Flumsy's work. Alright, there is gonna be no warm-up in this. It's just straight to the championship. Leetrooms.com. It's also open source and you can contribute to this. But please, if you decide to contribute, man, make sure you put up some good quality code. Flumsy doesn't want no trash code in his code base, man. He only wants the highest quality code. So that means you gotta make it look nice, you gotta make it perform well and all that stuff. Be in the same style that he has. Check it out. Alright, here we go, man. Another championship race. Wait, the bet. I guess we have to wait until the bet goes down. So after the time finishes for this, we'll start the race. And the bet is me versus Flumsy. Who is gonna win? Place those bets. Man, where did all the big bets go from the last one? Vim Tim made his money and he left. No more bets. Fantasy, where's the big bets? Oh, Clistar throwing up big money out there. Who's it gonna be? Flumsy or me? I think Flumsy is faster, man, because that was one of the fastest races I've ever done. I got lucky too. Alright, here we go. Only a few seconds left to bet. This is gonna be the final bet, man. Ad? Got ad. Oh no. Well, alright, I'll wait till the ad break is over before we start. I will wait until ads are over to start the race. How about that? 24 seconds. Alright, the bets are closed. And man, it's way past my streaming time. It's 12:10 right now. Alright, ad breaks end in 5 seconds. It says. Hopefully it's done. Alright. It's time to hit the racetrack. The championship round part 2. Me versus Flumsy. But everybody is here. Dang, don't defense is here. This is Flumsy. Alright. Whew. I'm nervous. I'm starting the race. Flumsy beat me this time, dang. With the triple digits, man. Guest, who's that guest with 119? Six Pack Sexy, aka No Condom Chris, 118. Don't Defense, 104. Freezy with the 96. Tomo Mami with the 92. Pat's Hello World with the 91. Clistar with the 85. Smart Coder with the 84. And Icy Black Deep with the 79. Yeah, close race? No, man. The last race was close. This one was tough. Anyways, man, Q got lucky there. Clistar, not so much. Alright, let me make sure I choose the right person. Flumsy. I messed up early and I chose the wrong bet, man. Clumsy one, right? Yeah. All right, there you go. There you go. Easy work. All right, it's time for me to get out of here. Maybe Wednesday I'll do the same thing, like half leak code, half website stuff, because I need to get this website thing finished one day, man. It's been far too long. And we still have a lot of things to do. So I'll try and do that, like more web dev. I want to be present for the leak code stuff, then you gotta get here early. Alright, let me find, ain't nobody doing leak code, man, except no leak coders. I don't know what to do here. You guys have any suggestions on who I should raid? Oh, this guy, day 14, interview prep. All right, everybody, we're about to go raid somebody who is studying for interviews, I suppose. So I guess everybody here is a leak coder, I think. Well, maybe some of you are web devs, but it's all right because this is mostly leak code. Anyways, thank you very much for tuning in. Steven Sagiball, Q Ultimus, Robodom, have a good night. Pinto Fool, Lil Freezy, good to see you again. Leet Whale, adios amigos. Horrible Fart, have a good night. Flumsy, the creator of Leet Rooms. It's an honor to have you in our presence, good sir. Smart Coder, adios amigo. Icy Black Deep, have a good night, man. See you next time. Anyone else? Mr. Friend, see you later. Good night. Tomo Mami, see you next time. Maybe Wednesday. Bobby Blue, have a good night. Good luck on your studies. No Condom Chris, see you on Wednesday, hopefully. YouTube, oh yeah, YouTube chat, man. All you people lurking in YouTube chat, you guys probably already came over to Twitch. But if you're from YouTube, have a good night, man. All you future YouTube viewers, I'll see you next time. And adios, amigos.